traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 17th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound actually broke down in a very big way. Nice break of structure, nice little push to the downside. All the pound pairs are actually moving if you look at pound pairs. So this is definitely a pound move right here for the most part. And a lot of the other dollar pairs did break down a little bit, but definitely nowhere near as strong as the pound. Now, tomorrow is a really big day. Technically, the trend is up on all the higher time frames, so I would still be watching my Fibonacci levels very, very closely. This could easily give you a Fibonacci bounce and actually continue back up. But like I said, tomorrow is a really big day. Tomorrow is FOMC interest rate day for the US. As you can see, they are planning on lowering interest rates by 25 points for the first time in years, so it potentially could be a really, really big day for the dollar. Now, even though I say that the dollar pairs are technically in an uptrend on really all the higher time frames, the US dollar index to me looks like it preferably might end up going up, at least temporarily. If the US dollar goes up temporarily, then the pound dollar would probably go down. So definitely keep that in mind. I will be reevaluating this before the news comes out. I will be live streaming on YouTube tomorrow prior to the news. So definitely stop in and check out my live stream if you want to see my most recent opinion on all your favorite pairs. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.